there! Welcome to 60-Second Tech by Synx. This is your spot for easy-to-digest updates on all things tech. From the coolest gadgets to the smartest software and tips, we'll break it down in just 60 seconds.
Have you ever seen a robot dog? These aren't just toys, they're real robots that look like dogs and can do some amazing things. Companies like Boston Dynamics have created robot dogs that can help with jobs like searching for people during emergencies or carrying things for workers. And get this, they can climb stairs, run, and even open doors. Some people even want to use robot dogs as helpers in homes or schools.
At Synx, we're super excited about how these robots could be used in daily life or business. Imagine using smart software from Synx to give robot dogs tasks or track what they're doing.
That's cool. What would you use a robot dog for? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, and do hit that subscribe button and come along as we dive into the tech world, 1 minute at a time. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Adios, amigos.